I'm Mallory Hauser for the Port of Seattle. We're going to play a little game today. We are here at a community planting event that our airport environmental team puts on every year, and this is Chipper Manning. He manages our natural resource program. Hello.
Hi there. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, are you ready for our game?
I am ready.
Okay, I'm going to say some numbers, and you're going to tell me what those numbers mean.
Okay, sounds good.
We're going to test your knowledge.
Thank you. Sounds good.
All right. 2,600.
That is the number of acres of land at the airport.
Correct.
Ding, ding, ding. Yay!
The next number, 100.
100 is the number of pounds of honey that we produced at the airport last year.
Ding, ding, ding. That is correct. 214.5.
214.5. That is the amount of acreage we have restored to forest and other habitats since 2006.
Very good. We're 3 for 3. One last one. 440,000.
440,000. That is the number of woody shrubs and trees that we have planted on airport property since 2006.
Very good. We got them all right. Now, one last question. Today, people are out here. They're planting trees. They're planting shrubs. This is a voluntary community event that we do twice a year. How many trees and shrubs do they plan to plant today?
Today we're planning to plant 200 trees and 300 shrubs in a half-acre restoration area. We do events like this for the benefit of the community. Planting these trees provides a visual buffer between airport operational areas and community neighborhoods. It provides a visual aesthetic of our Northwest forest theme that we have for landscaping at the airport. And obviously it also provides habitat.
Love it. Thanks for playing our game today. You would win a prize, but we don't have one.